In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see Life 360 Recap. First, let's begin by opening the Life 360 application on your device. You will see the familiar interface that displays your circle members. If you have not used the app before, it is user-friendly and designed for easy navigation. This step is crucial because accessing the app is your gateway to viewing important location data. Once you have the app open, you will be ready to proceed to the next step without any confusion. Next, tap on the circle member whose location you wish to view. This action is important because Life 360 allows you to keep track of your family and friends in your circle. By selecting a specific member, you can access their location history. On the screen, you will notice their profile along with an icon that represents their current status. This feature enhances your ability to stay connected and informed about your loved one's whereabouts. Once you have selected the circle member, look for the location pin icon. This icon is typically located at the bottom of the screen. Tapping on this icon will unlock the location history for the selected member. This step matters because it gives you access to the detailed locations they have visited. You will see a map that pinpoints their previous locations, which can offer peace of mind and reassurance about their safety. Now you will see the option to change the date using the left and right arrows. Tapping these arrows allows you to navigate through the different days in the location history. This is important because it helps you track movements over time. You may want to view a specific day to understand where the person was at a particular moment. As you do this, you will notice the map update to reflect the chosen date, making the data you are looking for easier to find. After selecting the desired date, drag the timeline slider to view locations and times. This slider is a powerful tool that lets you refine your search even further. By moving the slider, you can pinpoint exact times the member was at different locations. This step is significant because it provides a detailed timeline of their movements. You will see markers on the map that represent each location they visited, along with timestamps. This clarity can help you understand their day better. By following these steps, you have successfully accessed the location history for a circle member in Life 360. Remember, this feature is designed to keep you informed and connected. It is essential to use it responsibly and respect the privacy of others in your circle. Keeping track of loved ones can be reassuring, especially when they are out and about. Once that is done, you can easily return to the main screen of the app by tapping the back button. This action ensures that your changes are saved and your previous selections are not lost. As you navigate back, you will feel confident knowing you have successfully monitored the location history. This experience not only enhances your understanding of the app, but also solidifies your ability to use it effectively for safety. In summary, you have learned how to view location history in Life 360 by following these simple steps. This knowledge empowers you to stay connected with your loved ones and keep track of their whereabouts. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out for support. These capabilities are vital in today's fast-paced world where safety and communication are paramount. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in navigating Life 360.